Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Manappat Foundation and Vision International Academy. Both are trying to mainstream Huffaz, those who do not get a chance to do modern education. Since 2017, we are able to cater 114 Huffaz who are mainstream to higher education. We are looking forward to cater 331 Huffaz in our campus. We need similar-minded philanthropists to join hand with us so that we can support these Huffaz to be educated through modern education as well, so that they can prove their mettle being a professional in higher education as well, and our community, and pass with flying colors and bring laurels to Muslim community in particular and India as a nation in general, and be a potential global citizen. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah khairan kaseera.